Hi everybody, thank you for being on my channel, Channeling with Charlotte. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the full moon coming September 2nd, and it's going to be the Pisces full moon. So I'm going to be talking about all the energies and everything you need to know for this full moon and the upcoming 2 weeks. So the full moon in Pisces is all about, your emotions. So there's going to be a lot of emotion coming to the surface. A lot of all emotion might come up. You can feel a bit more emotional, so that's normal. It's kind of like to remove the old things out of you, so it needs to come back to surface so it can go away, and then you can have new energy coming in. So if that happens, don't worry, let it be. It just needs to be done so it can get out of you, and then new energy can come in. So it's also a really good time to do healing work, because you can actually use this time to heal your past, heal past trauma, your past fear, or those emotions that are actually coming back to the surface. So it's a good time to do, your rituals for healing, do healing work to remove blocks. So for example, you can use beliefs to do that. You can, write what you need to get rid of on your beliefs, and then you burn it. So that's a good way to do it. You can use, sage. There's a lot of different ways to do it. If you guys are interested in more video about that, let me know down comments below, because I can do a lot of video on that. So another things about the Pisces full moon is that it's going to develop your intuition. So you're going to feel more intuitive, you're going to have more ideas coming up, you can have actually a lot of vivid dreams. So you can have premonitory dreams, you can have dreams about past lives. So if you wake up and had this crazy dream, it's always good to write down, so you remember. It could actually help you heal things from the past. So it could be past trauma, or actually related to past life. And you can always research certain things that really trigger you in your dreams, and look for the definition and the meanings behind it. You can search that on the internet, and that will kind of help you do your healing work as well. So yeah, so pay attention to your dreams for the next 2 weeks, and also even the few days before the full moon, you can start feeling the effects and the energy. So that might affect your intuition and your dreams as well right now. So something else that's gonna happen during those 2 weeks and this full moon in Pisces is that it develops a lot of creativity and imaginations. So you can feel more creative, having all those ideas, having kind of daydreamings, imaginations about things you want to do, things for your future that you want to create. So this is really a good time to use your imagination, and kind of see how you want your future to be, what you want to be done in the upcoming months, what you want to create, what you want to do with your life, and kind of start planting that seed, so it help it grow and really blossom later. So this is really a good time to be creative and develop your imagination, and make sure you have fun doing that. Okay, keep it fun. You don't want to just be in your room trying to create and get all stressed out. You want to keep it light. It's still a light energy, so keep it light, fun, and have fun doing it. Okay, keep it joyful. Something else about this full moon is the chakra related to it. So the root chakra and your third eye chakra are going to be more affected by it. So you want to pay attention to those two chakras. Make sure that you use stones to enforce it. Certain colors, obviously, that are related to your chakra. You can also eat food that reinforces chakras. So if that's something you're interested in, I can also do more video about that. This is a lot to say about the chakra, but basically the root chakra is going to be about keeping you, you know, down to earth, keeping like your roots in the ground, ground yourself, be in the present moment is very the key. So, you know, you really have to not get lost like in your mind and like all those thoughts you have, and kind of like stay grounded and be present. So make sure you center yourself, but in the same time you creating and using your imagination. So you want to work between those two chakras with a very smooth connection, so you don't get lost one from another. Okay, you don't want to get lost, you know, in going like too much in your mind, and then, you know, forget to stay in the present moment and have those fruits. So you gotta work with both of them to actually be able to create something here that's going to be able to grow and really help you in the future. Okay, and then the other thing about this full moon in Pisces is kind of like you kind of want to be like the fish. Okay, so you want to go with the flow, you know, go with the current, and let it bring you where you need to go. Don't try to kind of create too much resistance or blocks. Kind of just let it go. If you have those emotions coming back out, sometimes it's not very pleasant, but just let it go, let them come out, and then, you know, it feel better after. It's just part of the process, so don't stress too much about it. Same if, you know, somebody in your family or around you is having like those like weird emotion coming back from the past, just let it go away. Just don't add oil on the fire. Just know it's part of the moon and part of the energy right now, so just be understanding that, you know, a lot of emotion can be coming up in also relationship and things like that. People can be more sensitive, but it's part of the moon. So I hope you like this video. If you like to enjoy more video about the moon, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.